Hi, I'm Joan Lok. There are many different ways of painting landscape. Many will want to use calligraphic brushwork to depict the texture of slope and mountains. While those are very interesting way, another way is to use meticulous stroke and build up the texture a stroke at a time. In my next landscape workshop, we'll focus on painting a detailed landscape in which the slope, the texture are all built meticulously. We will start off with painting the underpainting with ink, and then we'll do a wash to add the cloud and mist. And then we will also work on how to add colors to build up the gradation and values of the whole landscape, and we can finish it with additional details. So this is a meticulous way of painting landscape. I hope you will join us and in our workshop and paint this very detailed landscape together. Thank you.